Did you catch a big one, buddy?
Yeah.
Holy, that's a big one. Buddy, it's what time is it? It's 8:45. It's like 45 minutes past your bedtime. You still waiting for the big one?
Yeah.
Well, you already caught a big one. You still want another one?
Yeah.
You little crazy little fishing monster. You just woke up. Repeat what you said again.
No one says.
You want another fish?
Yeah.
Those are your first words you said when you woke up. You are quite the fisherman, buddy. Hey. Good morning, Cisco. You want another one?
Yeah.
How big?
Huge.
Huge? Well, you
Yeah.
just got a 30 and a half. That was probably like 12 pounds.
Yeah.
That's how much bigger than that? 30.
40.
You want a 40?
Yeah.
Oh, that's... You like to shoot high. That's my boy. If he didn't go outside and he didn't hide under the chair, where else would have you hidden? Cisco, do you know where he is? Oh, I think I might have seen him. Hold the rod, both hands. Oh. Okay, shit. Okay, hold the rod, both hands. There you go. Keep reeling, bud.
Oh, quite big.
Yeah. Oh, buddy. I do not want to let go of this thing. I'll hold my fingertips. You hold her tight, though. What do we got here? Oh, got a pretty decent pike. Okay, one sec. Okay, Bo's got a big one on here. Okay, keep reeling. Keep reeling.
So big.
Okay, this thing is big. Okay, don't let go of the rod. Hold it tight, okay? Man, I can't see it. Oh, there's something there.
Oh.
Okay, one sec. Don't let go of the rod. Don't let go of the rod. Oh, look at your fish, buddy.
Your eyes. Ah.
Hey?
Yeah, beauty.
Yeah, it is a beauty.
Hey, Bunk.